ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ವಾಲಿಯರ್ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಹೊರಾಂಗಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಒಳಾಂಗಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದು ರಾಜ ಮಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದಂಥ ಅರಮನೆ. ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕುತೂಹಲಕಾರಿ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಂದನೇ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Dancing courtyard. You are looking like this stand. You can check they have a gap. So they used to put oil lamp, like the bracket, like this. So they use mirror. All this carving they use crystals, mirror or lamp. Like same system is there. So at the evening, just reflect the light. It's a much more beautiful. From this light goes there and that light coming this side. So reflects the light. It's a more beautiful. That time all the dancers, they have a beautiful dress. All the dress they use colorful mirror to just reflect the light of the dress. Then they use olden disco, like a discotheca. So one side sit the musician, or one side for singer. All the dancers used to dance in the center. Maharaja sit up there. And that time all some guests coming, they sit on the balcony. And time all guests, they see all the Maharaja wife, the wife sit behind the screen. So queen see the dancer, but dancer couldn't see the queen. Maybe that time Maharaja sit the youth big umbrella, they made by the gold of flower decorate. Come this side. This was used as a music room. Olden time all the musicians used to sit outside floor and play music. And all the queen used to sit behind the screen to listen music. So just around the room 8 screen. So each queen sit on behind the screen. Because in olden time we have a curtain system. They had a rule. Queen see the musician, listen music, but musician never see the queen. Sometimes musicians play music, they look up, it's order of Maharaja, they cut the head, not allowed to see the queen. Because behind they had a reason. Because that time all the Maharaja, it's a thing for mind. All Maharaja they had a power. Always want beautiful wife. So king had a power, beautiful wife, coming the child also beautiful and strong. That's why about queen, always fighting. That's why they have many wives. So sometimes musicians coming from Orcha, maybe they play music. They look the Maharani. When they're going back to the Orcha, they ask the Orcha Maharaja. In Gwalior Maharaja, they have a beautiful queen. She is good for you. Why you not attack there? So maybe they come with nothing to attack and one for fighting. That's why outside people is not allowed to see the queen. Maybe they look, they want going in out. It means your supporting going in out. That's why that time they got head. So when the music room, it is more decorated. Down they use carpet. All the walls they use mirror. Pillar used to covered by the gold plate and hook used curtain, so daytime the glass is closed. Evening open the glass, put the lamp, reflect the light, it's a more beautiful. Just in the screen there is some dancing figure. Ladies couldn't dance, in hand they have a stick. So this kind of dance before used in Gujarat. So people call it a Gujarati dance. But nowadays we call Garba. It's a very famous dance in India. Like men, women dance together, 2 small sticks.
Yes.
And all the stone used here, sandstone. So this is the music room in 15th century. Please come next courtyard. चलिए सर थोड़ा आगे. अभी ये जा रहे हैं ना. Here on the pillar, iron hook, like this. So olden time they used to put the rock, and down they have a chair. Who used to sit, use as a swing. So this is swinging room. Maharaja was 8 wives. Just you listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the 8 wives different 8 swing. So this is a swinging room. Or sometimes for sleeping room. But when they use swinging room for the queen, it is more decorative. That time all this pillar used to covered by the gold plate. All the wall gap they use mirror. From down they use carpet. Then they put lamp. It's much more beautiful. But why they made it underground? Because this room, April and May, when outside very warm, it was cool. Like December or this month January, after the sunset, outside is cool, inside feeling warm. So different temperature from outside. So now this is natural air condition. Golden time this is swinging room or sometime for sleeping room. But in 15th century, after the fort captured by the 17th century Aurangzeb. So time of Aurangzeb, they take out all the gold plate, they destroy the mirror, they take out the carpet, and after this beautiful room, they use like a prison. So his prisoners put in hand like this, and they used to punish. And some they giving opium. So Aurangzeb, he was the son of Shah Jahan. They built Taj Mahal in Agra. They had a 4th brother, Dara or Sudha. They killed in Agra fort. His father Shah Jahan, they built Taj Mahal. They used to put the prison from Agra fort. One more brother they named Murad Bakhsh. They captured and come in Gwalior from this room. About 4 months, first they give him slow poison, opium. And after he killed his brother by the hang. So you are looking small, there is white small stone. One stone there, they used to put one bamboo and they killed his brother in center by the hang. So 17th century, this is prison or hanging room. In 15th century, it is swinging room or sleeping room. So different time, different Maharaja, different thing in this building. You are looking, there is many halls, system of ventilation. But this hall don't made straight. They made cross ventilation. Because that time in India, we have no gun. Maybe soldier is standing it out, they hit arrow. Arrow is more dangerous for the gun. Because point of arrow they use poison of cobra. Maybe arrow coming in, they hit any people about poison effect, people death. So arrow not come in, that's why they made cross ventilation. Only here no light coming inside. So safety for palace, here they build a cross ventilation system. Like same hall also there. Please come with me. Look this side. Queen used to sit here, they look it outside, they wait her husband was coming back. So when Maharaja might fight, all the queen live here with bodyguard 2 men. Because that time, men guard is men, or woman guard is woman. Maybe you are going Islamic people, then woman guard is also unique. But in Hindu Maharaja, they have no unique, only for woman guard. So who kind of woman bodyguard? They strong lady. Now they are standing, so they are standing just near the gate and with the sword. So maybe that time Maharaja is better down, enemy attack here. So just enemy coming inside the room, the head went down. Now they get the head for enemy. That's why they built a small gate. And here is the iron hook. So here is the iron hook. That time they used to cover by the black curtain. Above the curtain, enemy come in, not from inside. The curtain take out, they look first and they come in there. That's why they built a small gate. And here, 4 rooms, they look with ventilator. Women in that water, they can push and the fan is like this. After this, now we are going swimming pool. So please give me side.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಅರಮನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಟೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಕುತೂಹಲಕಾರಿ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗ್ವಾಲಿಯರ್ ಕೋಟೆಯ ಭಾಗ 2 ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.